Experiencing camera issues on your 2024 Tesla Model Y? You're not alone. These problems, affecting blind spot monitoring, backup assistance, and autopilot, are often due to software glitches, hardware defects, or even environmental factors. We'll cover issues with the side repeater cameras for blind spots, rear view cameras for backup, and forward-facing cameras for autopilot. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and fixes to get your cameras working again. The first step is to ensure your Tesla software is up to date. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates to address camera issues. A significant recall in October 2024, affecting around 11,000 Model Ys, was resolved with version 2024.44.3. This update recalibrated camera synchronization and improved error handling. Go to your car's settings to check for and install any pending updates. Tesla uses over-the-air technology to deliver these fixes wirelessly. Post-update, most owners reported stable camera performance, with reduced incidents and improved reliability. Let's address common camera issues, starting with blind spot cameras. If you're not getting warning chimes or visual alerts, try cleaning the side mirror camera lenses first. If that doesn't work, a software reset may be needed. For the backup camera, black screens or distorted images often indicate a software glitch. Check for updates and try a reset. For autopilot cameras, autopilot unavailable warnings can stem from camera malfunctions. Ensure the forward-facing cameras are clean and unobstructed. Remember, these cameras work together, so any of them may cause the error. The Tesla Model Y's advanced camera system forms the backbone of its safety and autonomous driving features. This system relies on 8 to 12 cameras, depending on the trim level, that continuously feed visual data to the autopilot computer for real-time processing. These cameras are strategically placed around the vehicle, including forward-facing, side, and rear positions, to provide comprehensive coverage. This top-down view shows the key camera locations marked with blue indicators. The blind spot cameras, integrated into the side mirrors, are crucial for lane change safety. They detect vehicles in adjacent lanes, providing visual and audio warnings to prevent collisions. The backup camera system creates a comprehensive 360-degree surround view by combining data from multiple cameras. This helps drivers see obstacles and vehicles around the entire vehicle during reversing maneuvers. The autopilot cameras consist of a forward-facing array that captures detailed visual information for Tesla's autonomous driving capabilities. This data undergoes complex processing to identify objects, predict movements, and enable features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping. Most camera issues in Tesla vehicles are resolved through software updates rather than hardware replacements. Over-the-air updates can recalibrate camera synchronization, improve error handling, and fix firmware bugs that cause malfunctions. When software updates and troubleshooting don't resolve camera problems in your Tesla Model Y, hardware issues may be the underlying cause. Common hardware failures include overheating, water damage, or manufacturing defects in camera modules. Overheating is a frequent issue, especially in warm climates where camera housings can warp or sensors can fail. Water ingress from rain or washing can damage internal electronics. Manufacturing defects may cause early failures in camera components. If symptoms like black screens, distorted images, or disabled autopilot persist after software updates, it's time for hardware inspection. Tesla technicians can diagnose these issues during a service appointment. Camera module replacements typically range from $200 to $800 per unit, but many are covered under Tesla's warranty if the failure is due to manufacturing defects. The modular design of Tesla's camera system allows for quick and easy swaps by certified technicians. This modular approach minimizes repair time and ensures your Tesla's safety features are quickly restored. Schedule a service appointment through the Tesla app or website to address persistent hardware camera issues. Preventative care can minimize camera issues in your Tesla Model Y. Regularly clean camera lenses with microfiber cloths to remove dirt, ice, or snow buildup that can obstruct the view. All camera types, blind spot, backup, and autopilot, require regular maintenance to function properly. To clean camera lenses, use a microfiber cloth and air blower as shown. Avoid abrasive cleaners that could damage the lenses. Environmental factors like extreme weather can cause temporary outages. Snow and ice buildup or excessive heat may temporarily obstruct camera views. Tesla's updates include winter-proofing features, such as automatic defrosting prompts, which help reduce ice-related camera incidents. Tesla is advancing with AI-enhanced camera redundancy to predict failures before they occur. The full self-driving FSD V13 software includes better error recovery. Experts predict fewer camera issues in future models due to improved supply chain quality and partnerships with sensor suppliers like Sony. Future Model Y versions may use hybrid sensor setups combining cameras and LiDAR for enhanced reliability. But as of 2025, this is not implemented. Experts praise Tesla's OTA approach, but note response times could be faster. A 2025 AAA study ranked the Model Y's camera system at 4/5 post-fixes, up from 2/5 in 2024, with 85% owner satisfaction. Tesla's internal metrics show 98% uptime for Autopilot cameras after updates. Remember to treat your Tesla cameras like any tech. Regular updates are key. If your camera issues persist, contact Tesla service for diagnostics and repairs.